GPT in a box refers to deploying OpenAI's generative pre-trained transformer GPT models in a self-contained environment, which can be a physical hardware device or a software environment that operates independently from the internet. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. This setup is designed to ensure secure, localized and efficient use of the GPT model, particularly in scenarios where data privacy, security and operational reliability are paramount. GPT models can be deployed on local servers or specialized hardware to operate without relying on external internet connections. This is particularly useful for environments where internet access is limited or security concerns necessitate offline operations. By running GPT locally, organizations can ensure that sensitive data is not exposed to external networks, reducing the risk of data breaches and ensuring compliance with data protection regulations. Today, there are certain hospitals and clinics that are using GPT in a box for processing patient data and generating reports, ensuring patient confidentiality and compliance with healthcare regulations. Secondly, financial institutions are deploying GPT locally for fraud detection, risk assessment, and customer service automation, safeguarding sensitive financial data. Moving forward, companies can also use GPT for predictive maintenance and supply chain optimization, keeping proprietary data secure within their infrastructure. It is a secure, full-stack enterprise AI platform built on web-scale data services to deploy your large language models, ML operations, and generative AI apps anywhere from core to edge to cloud. GPT in a box offers a versatile, secure, and efficient solution for deploying AI capabilities across various industries. By ensuring data privacy, operational control, and real-time processing, this approach enables organizations to harness the power of GPT models while mitigating the risks associated with cloud-based deployments. Let's look into today's headlines. Indian financial institutions and banks avoided a worldwide Windows glitch. Only 10 banks and non-banking financial organizations (NBFCs) were impacted by the worldwide Microsoft Windows outage, according to the Reserve Bank of India. Because its systems were not connected with cloud-based services, the central bank claimed to have avoided the worldwide risk. As few banks were utilizing the CrowdStrike tool, the inconvenience caused by the update was not as widely reported. Cyber firm CrowdStrike comes to light due to global IT failure. CrowdStrike gained attention after it was unable to resolve a flawed patch that caused a series of catastrophic system failures that crippled the operations of a wide range of companies, including banks, major international retailers, and healthcare organizations. The stock saw an 11% decline and ended at $304.96, losing over $9 billion in market value. The business is currently valued at over $74 billion. DOT suspends two marketing companies for 5.55 crore fraudulent SMSs connected to online fraud. One Nextel Media and Vcon Intelligent Security are two registered telemarketers whose services have been suspended by the Department of Telecommunications for sending more than 5.55 crore fraudulent SMSs about cybercrime since January 2024. Reports of harmful SMSs at the Chakshu service on the Sanchar Sathi site promoted the opening of an investigation. Users will soon be able to block links in responses on Elon Musk's X. In an effort to stop spam bots from flooding comments with the links that promote themselves, Elon Musk's X is going to roll out a feature that lets users ban links in responses to their posts. The director of X's security engineering confirmed that this feature might either make fact-checking more difficult or less effective. It is currently unknown whether the service is available to paid or free customers. Air India India offers full fare refunds amid Mumbai flight cancellations. Mumbai's heavy rains have interfered with airline operations, leading to cancellations and diversions. Travelers booked on July 21st, 2024 were eligible for full refunds or free rescheduling through Air India. Prior to leaving for the airport, the airline suggested checking the status of your flight. For the past few weeks, Mumbai has been hit hard by severe rains. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.